To make muffins, first preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and grease the wells of a muffin pan with cooking spray. Then add 2½ cups or 320 grams of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup or 100 grams of sugar to a large bowl, followed by 1 tablespoon or 14 grams of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon or 1¼ grams of salt. Whisk the dry ingredients together and set aside. Next, pour 1¼ cups or 300 milliliters of milk and 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of vegetable oil into a medium bowl, followed by 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of vanilla extract. Whisk the wet ingredients together thoroughly. Then pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix everything together with a wooden spoon until the batter is just combined. As you mix, add 1 cup or 175 grams of your favorite mix-in if you'd like chocolate chips, blueberries, or walnuts. Finally, divide the batter evenly between the muffin pan wells and bake the muffins for 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean.